Hi, this is Tim of the 1916 Company. Welcome and thanks for logging on. If you love this watch, email me, Team Mosso at the1916company.com for purchase pricing and availability questions concerning this watch. And this watch is a relatively late production, Roger Dubuis Hommage, one of the more traditional designs. It's part of the original two model lines launched in the 1990s, the Hommage and the Sympathie. This is the more traditionally inspired, whereas the Sympathie was a bit more avant-garde. The timepiece here, a product of the 2000s. It's white gold, 43 millimeters in diameter, 12.5 millimeters thick, and 53.5 lug-to-lug with a broad 25 millimeter spacing between the lugs. Now, this is white gold, really gray gold, a white gold alloy that never needs to be rhodium plated. Then on the wrist, you can see it's large. I think it's a little bit too big for me. To be perfectly honest, it's thin. It will easily fit under a cuff, but I think you need a wrist at least, let's say, 17 centimeters circumference to wear this. My wrist is 16. Giving you a good look. The strap is remarkably robust. You can see large rectangular scale alligator leather. It's black semi-gloss. It's got a little bit of a distressed grain to it. We have a lightly contrasting gray stitch to match the gold. We have a folded edge to the strap, which does have some bolstering or stuffing to give it volume. Monotone stitch, not so much, but we have a lovely butter-like calfskin on the back. And you can see that we have a strap from Roger Dubuis, a factory piece in excellent condition. You can see here no crimping, no gouging, and then a white gold buckle in polish and satin finish. Taking a look at the lugs, we have this lovely sort of teardrop tuck at the bottom. You can see they're all polished. We have a lovely break with the case band here, and then vertical satination all the way across to the opposite lug. You can see that the bezel is stepped in somewhat to visually thin the watch, and that it has a very delicate concave profile. The crown is large, but it's also slightly countersunken to the side, so it doesn't stick out too much. The Roger Dubuis logo. Dial side, white mother of pearl with radially arrayed Roman numerals, including a watchmaker's 4. We have feuille or leaf style hands with a piano key track for minutes and hours at center. And you can see it says right there, Swiss, Geneva, handmade. The watch is quite beautiful, and the white mother of pearl can be made to tease out all sorts of different chatoyancy and prismatic effects. You can see other colors in it depending on the light and the angle. Turn it all around, you can see this watch was a 28-piece limited edition, and that it features the RD14 movement. The first thing you'll probably wonder about the RD14 is, what does it say on the rotor? And I have to say, this strained my eyes to the limit, but my best guess is something to the effect of, this is a watch of the present, informed but not restricted to the past, forecast into a future that still belongs to us. So that's approximately what I think it says. With the script and the size and the French, I'm doing my best here. The movement was actually Dubuis' first in-house automatic when it debuted back in 2004. It is a 4 Hz beat rate automatic winding with ceramic ball bearings for efficiency, 48-hour power reserve, 5-position adjustment, Geneva seal, and the decoration standard lives up to that. You can see we've got a polished stud holder, polished swan snake fine adjustment mechanism. We have both linear and circular Côte de Genève. We have polished screw heads with chamfered slots in circumference, anglage on the edge of the bridges. We have solarization on the barrel cover, beveling within the screw and jewel sinks, and then a bit of a quirky feature. You can see the watch definitely has a hacking function, even though it doesn't have running seconds. So if you ever want to stop it fully wound, you can do so. It's a 33 jewel movement, and you can see it has a finger train style series of mono bridges down to the escapement, which is a beautiful and nostalgic Geneva look. A wonderful watch, and one of the best deals you're going to get in boutique brand Geneva seal precious metal horlogerie dress watches. 30 meters water resistance, so dress watch standard, dress watch water resistance, basically rain and splashes only. So don't submerge it. Reach out to Team Mosso at the1916company.com for purchase and pricing details.